What's up, y'all? Today I want to chat with you guys about the power of tapping into your dark energy. Now, this topic came about with my discussion with Rukwaza that he was more motivated by the dark side than actually the light side. And it made me really think about the concept of light and dark energy. And a lot of the times in the personal development space, there's a lot of positive psychology telling us to keep thinking positive things, happy thoughts to move towards our goals. But I think Rukwaza made a really good point that there is a lot of drive and dark energy when we choose to be more motivated by the not so great things in our lives, the things that have disappointed us, the things that have frustrated us, the things that we wish we could have gone back in time to change. So sometimes, the goal of today's discussion is that instead of running away and maybe numbing ourselves from the pain that we have in our current day-to-day lives, whether that's going through a breakup, maybe things are not going so well at work, maybe there is a mental setback because of some issue that we're going through life, maybe we're going through some transitory time, and we need to view that as a good fuel source, as, hey, I don't want to be here anymore, this sucks. Really sit in the pain and realize this is my current state, and say that that's okay. And that if we really want to get to a better state, we actually need to embrace where we are now, so that we know that we no longer want to be here anymore. We want to go to the future. And, as I really think about this concept, I've definitely used pain a lot more than I've used the power of actually moving myself forward to a better place in life. I know the pain of, if I don't become disciplined, I won't be able to feed my future family. If I'm not disciplined, I won't be able to provide for my significant other, or to give my future children the wrestling shoes they need to, be on the wrestling team. That's what motivates me to stay disciplined, to track my habits, to track my time, to track everything that I have going on, so that I don't slip up. So all I want to do is just challenge everyone to really think about the dark things that are going in your life right now, embrace it, and learn to utilize it as a fuel source to push yourself to new bounds. Because as I was talking to Rukwaza, it's true though, that if you start at a shittier spot, you can actually traject yourself way past the average person who's actually feeling no pain, right? Let's just think of David Goggins, one of the baddest men alive. He started out spraying cockroaches, really overweight, around 300 pounds. Because he was such in a crappy spot, he went, I never want to be here again. I'm going to become one of the baddest men alive, and actually slingshotted himself to greater bounds. Or, my friend Rukwaza, he was so bad at social media that he actually was one of the people that didn't have Facebook back in high school, and actually got made fun of it, to the point where now he is actually known as an expert in TikTok, where he's getting paid to manage and reviews other people's TikTok. And for me myself, I know there's the pain of me not being disciplined and having motivation in my life, such to the point that I slingshotted myself past the point where I am on top of all my stuff every single day, that I actually am moving forward in my life. I mean, I still have a lot of things to work on, but there's just this concept of, if you start at a darker place, you can actually go to a much brighter place than the average person. So all in all, I just want to give everyone out there hope that if you're going through some crappy times, if you are not feeling the best, embrace that energy, feel the pain, and then this is the key part, take note of what you can change and utilize that pain to take yourself to new higher levels. Keep pushing, and one day you will transform that pain into something useful, and you can actually transform that darkness into half light, half dark. Half dark to make sure that you remember to never feel that pain ever again, and also the light. You've understood where you've been, and now you can help others never feel that same pain again, and also help yourself in moving towards better places. So that's all I got for you guys today. Much love. Let me know down in the comments below whether you agree or disagree, whether you rather use the light energy or you'd rather use the dark energy. But That's all I got. Peace.